welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine, and for my existing subscribers, I appreciate you coming on back. Today's video is just a mini Bath & Body Works haul. I just picked up a few things and I wanted to share them with you. You're gonna have to bear with me because I'm not the greatest at explaining scents at all. So I did go online to just take some notes of how Bath & Body Works describes each of the items that I picked up. First thing that I got is the In the Stars Diamond Shimmer Mist, and it's described as a warm, sparkling blend of starflower, sandalwood musk, sugared tangelo, white agarwood, and radiant amber. I don't know, let me turn my light down. I don't know if you're able to see, it has sparkles in it. Let's see if I spray it, if you can see. The sparkles are very subtle. Oh, there you go, you can see it a little bit. So pretty, nice and subtle, oh my god. And it smells nice too. It's not too strong at all. It's a very light scent. It's not gonna give you a headache. Well, it doesn't give me one anyways, but it's really pretty on the skin. The next two that I got are Sweet Whiskey. This is the Fine Fragrance Mist. And then this is the Aloe and Vitamin E Shower Gel. It's described as warm, intriguing, elegant blend of golden amber, vanilla whiskey, and red berries. Oh my god.
It smells so good.
The ladies at the store refer to this as trophy wife. Like, oh my god, it smells so delicious. Oh. If you have this, let me know how you feel about it. Like, it is absolutely delicious. I wish that I had got the lotion as well. Maybe I'll go back for that. The next items that I'm gonna show you are candles. I have 5 single wick candles, and then I have 1 3-wick candle. I couldn't wait. I had to burn that one right away. So it's not gonna be brand spanking new when I show it to you, but I did wanna include it in the video. This is Island Margarita. And it's described as a tropical cocktail of fresh squeezed lime, anjou pear, and sea salt. Oh my god, it smells so delicious. Oh, it's so like tropical, fruity. It's like I should be on a beach somewhere with a nice drink. It's definitely a nice scent for the summer, but I don't care. I'm gonna burn it in the winter and the fall and winter too. So I don't really follow seasons at all. Oh my god, I just gotta huff it one more time. Ooh, I wish you guys could smell it. This one is called Hot Cocoa and Cream, and it's described as deep dark chocolate, fresh steamed milk, mini marshmallows with essential oils. It smells just like a nice big mug of hot chocolate with marshmallows and chocolate sprinkles. Oh my god, I almost want to eat it. Like, it smells so good. Definitely nice for the fall and winter, like just by like a nice fireplace, watching a movie, burning this candle with some hot chocolate. Ah, delicious. The next one is Waikiki Beach Coconut. It's described as tropical white coconut, saltwater breezes, and sun-bleached woods. Oh my gosh, another one. They all smell good. I can't help it. Again, I should be on the beach somewhere. Oh, it's not as strong as the Island Margarita. Oh, it's really nice. Up next, we have Champagne Toast. I've had this one before and I just absolutely love it. Described as bubbly champagne, sparkling berries, juicy tangerine with essential oils. Oh, it smells absolutely lovely. And I got this one as well like a while back in the freshener for your car. Oh, it just smells so good. You need to get all of them that I'm mentioning, by the way. The last one for the single wick is Aloha Kiwi Passion Fruit. It's described as tropical passion fruit, radiant kiwi, juicy pineapple with essential oils. Oh, Again, it smells just as good as the Island Margarita and the Waikiki Beach, but this one is stronger than Waikiki Beach for sure. Oh my. Send me to the Dominican or Jamaica or something, like, oh my. This smells lovely. The last one is the 3-wick candle. It's Georgia Peach. It's described as sweet peach, orange blossom, and honeysuckle nectar. As I said, I've already burned it. Like, oh my god, it smells good. It's not terribly strong though when you huff it. Like, it's really nice. That's everything to my video. If you have any of these scents, drop them down below and let me know your thoughts on them. If you enjoyed this mini Bath and Body Works haul, give me a thumbs up. Or if you have any other questions, you know what to do. Thanks so much for watching, lovelies, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!